The Battle of Brunanburh was the landmark event of Æthelstan's reign. This victory meant that England would remain united under Æthelstan. Because of this, Æthelstan has often been considered the first proper king of the English. While the question remains open to debate, it's certainly true that Æthelstan held more territory than any ruler of Britain since the Romans, and the kingdom he established clearly lies at the heart of the medieval kingdom of England. When he died in 939, Æthelstan was recognized as one of the leading kings of Christian Europe. Today, some even describe Æthelstan as the English Charlemagne.